How to use cosmetics in ATLYSS. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Cosmetics in ATLYSS are non-functional items that allow players to personalize their in-game character's appearance. From stylish outfits to unique accessories, these items are a fun way to express your personality. To use cosmetics, head to your character's customization menu, where you will find a variety of options to equip. Simply select the cosmetic item you want to wear, whether it's a skin, hairstyle, or outfit, and apply it to your character. Remember, these items don't impact gameplay but offer a visually exciting way to stand out in the world of ATLYSS. And that's how you use cosmetic in ATLYSS. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.